Hello, Martin here. I'm over in Bolney in West Sussex, right down the road from our factory and show centre. So this is one of our most local clients ever, and here to show you around this lovely poolside room where the focus was to integrate with the pool, hence what we're seeing the doors on the side, but also just to enjoy these stunning views of Sussex. This land is owned by the clients. We didn't have any privacy issues, no integrated blinds needed, just wanted a space to enjoy that during the summer and the winter, and this Kite pre-designed has worked very well. Never done one like this before, but that efficient cube, we've got less than 1% waste, 4.8 meters wide on this one, 3.1 deep. We've moved the doors to the side and then put all of the glass onto the front there, and then actually created a side overhang as well. So that 500 front overhang we've run around the side and some lighting, and actually I've got to say I really like the look of that on our steel and timber frame base, suspended up, and then a hot tub just hidden around the corner there, which is actually really nice. That was previously there, and the whole idea of this, as I say, is to integrate the pool with these lovely big wide French doors, and then integrate with the view. So as I open this up, the other thing we had to consider is also this building is down below the house, so you do see this from the property, and we didn't want it to look too hard. So with these lovely views to the front, with the V200 in timeless, we've done this lovely big portrait window out the back that looks up to the property there, and that has worked very nicely, just in softening it all down a little bit and not making it look too industrial on the back. Could have gone for the MTX upgrade, but in all honesty, the plant room that's just sitting behind me now actually kind of hides it from the house, but that light is really nice. Now we're actually back later to do a nice update on this plant room, so stay tuned to watch that coming up in early January 26. But for now, this lovely Kite pre-designed, so all flipped around and moved around, but works very nicely. 4.8 by 3.1 poolside room looking out over the stunning views here in Sussex. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and share your thoughts. Thank you.